Hey everyone, so I'm Daksh and I'm going to teach you guys about the Pigpen cipher. So, what is the Pigpen cipher? It's a good question. So now the Pigpen cipher is this secret way to write messages that was used for couple hundred years by the Freemasons. And it's this really simple cipher to start off with and learn about, and it uses substitution. So basically, it uses instead of letters, it uses symbols like dots, lines, and grids. The Pigpen cipher is also known as the Masonic cipher and the tic tac toe cipher. First off, I'm going to explain how to encode the letters using the cipher. So, um, first you want to just write out your message and whatever you want to say in plain text or English in this case. And then you're going to substitute the letters with the symbol that you find from the key. So the key right here is where the cipher symbols come from. So basically, the letters are in certain positions and they match up to the lines and dots that are in the grid. And then this becomes part of that symbol. So, for example, we have the letter A right here, which lines up to this line here and this line here. And on the next page, we can see a few more examples. We have A, like I showed earlier. Then we have Q, T, and Z. And just remember these symbols. I'm going to go back. And Q right here is just this table with a dot in it. T is this symbol right here, like kind of like a less than symbol. And then we have Z, which is like this tent with like a dot in it. And yeah, it's the table with the dot in it, the less than symbol, and then the tent with the dot in it. And yeah, basically, that's how you encode the letters in the Pigpen cipher. And if you guys think you can write in it, let's see if you guys can figure out how to write this hello world, which is English, in Pigpen. And the key's right there. If you guys need to pause the video, then go ahead. I'm just gonna give you guys like 5 seconds and then do the reveal. All right, last chance to pause, and now it's time for the reveal. If you got this, then you are correct. We have the H, which is just this symbol right here, the E, which is this right here. We have L, which is this with a dot in it twice. O, which is this. W, this, O, R, L, and then D. So yeah, good job if you guys got that right. And now I'm going to go over the opposite process, which is decoding the messages. So this is just as simple as encoding, and it's really just the encoding process but backwards, where you're just going to match the cipher key to the letter and then replace it. So yeah, in this case, you're just taking the symbols and you're finding the position of the letter, and you're matching it to the position of the letter. So if you guys can think that you can do this one, I'm just going to see if you guys can figure out what this means. Again, keys right there. If you need to pause the video, go ahead. I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds and then reveal it. All right, last chance to pause. And now for the reveal. So if you got what do I say, then you're correct. You just match up the symbols to the letters. So, you got W, which is from this letter. You got H, you got A, T, D, O, I, and then, yeah, S, A, Y. But yeah, if you got this one right too, then great job. There are a lot of different types of ciphers, like the Pigpen cipher, that are used to encode and decode messages. This one's just a really simple one to start off with, and I hope you guys liked it. Nowadays, we use ciphers in a lot of different ways, and probably the most interesting way is that we use these really complicated ciphers to encrypt and decrypt information on the internet. And this helps keep people's data safer, and it keeps information safer. And overall, it helps contribute to protecting your privacy. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy.